I ended the previous video with a lap around the track on my quad, and while the track is still far from complete, I'm eager to throw in a lap on my bike. Now, I know my riding leaves a lot to be desired, and that's the purpose of making a track, so I'll have a place to practice and improve. Yeah, the track needs a lot of improvement, and so do I. If you're subscribed to the channel, I want to say thank you. Your support has been awesome. Stay tuned, the track and the riding will improve. And I've got another rebuild planned. We'll cover that in the next one. See you then.